Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Solana daily update. Before we continue, join the monthly subscription, only few spots left till 50, only 50 people can join in. I want to give everyone the time needed. You will get the automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and when to sell your altcoins. This is something revolutionary, but it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. You can cancel anytime you like. Also join the Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto for the first one, and the next one you will see the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go now to Solana. So we have the 75 as our next resistance level, guys, because we have drawn our Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top right here, and we had it as our next price target. It was the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. We will close this out. We will keep the Fibonacci extension. We are now above the 2.618, and according to the Fibonacci extension, we can even go to 87, but of course we have to be careful. Okay. So according to the Fibonacci extension, sorry guys, next is the 87 Tether USD, but we will see about that. We will draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here. Actually, let's draw it from this bottom to this top, and the reason is we want to find some major support levels. So we got the first one around here, guys, the 0.236 around 67, 61.4, and we have one more at around 57.5 to 58, okay, around there. So we have these major support levels. Where are we going? Is this the end? Are we going to go down even more? We will discuss everything right now. Let's go a little bit to the volume. You can see the volume is increasing for Solana. It is going all the way higher. And of course, we have the MACD on the 4-hour frame, squeeze point right here, higher lows, lower highs. We had the squeeze point, therefore we went all the way upwards. We haven't seen yet a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line. Amazing stuff right now, guys. Let's go to the Solana Tether USD on the 4-hour frame for the RSI, commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI. You can see that we are in an extreme overbought situation. This is what happens on the 4-hour frame. It is absolutely logical in an impulsive wave to have an extreme overbought situation. This is a pattern we might follow this one as well. We will see about that. If we drop all the way down to 30 or 40 around there, then the impulsive wave is over, guys. So the commodity channel index is the same. We have a pattern like this for Solana, and the stochastic RSI, it is now not in an overbought situation, but not in an oversold as well. Okay, so right now what did we see before is that the stochastic RSI is working great in an impulsive wave. This is what you should be looking, but sometimes it doesn't go into an oversold. For example, here as well, 15th August didn't go down from 20, okay, it stopped around there at 40. So this means sometimes we cannot achieve the bottom right there. You can see that here we did not achieve an oversold situation. However, we were upon the 20-day EMA. We made the 20-day EMA as a support level. Sometimes the risk metrics don't go into an oversold situation, so we have to have a buying opportunity. Okay, let's go now to the SOL, the Tether USD on the daily frame though, to look more of a midterm price analysis. And here you can see that if we open the SSL hybrid, an indicator you can find on TradingView, we had a buying opportunity here. We don't want to short our position yet. So great job on identifying this buying opportunity right there for SOL. Okay, great job right there. And of course, we were going all the way upwards, impulsive wave. We even surpassed, guys, the previous high, 58, 59 around there. We even went to 75 we had yesterday as our next price target. And now we want to open the Bollinger Bands. You can see on the Bollinger Bands, we are way above the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Very great risk right there. And I will close it again because I don't want to stay in the Bollinger Bands. For now, let's see. The stochastic RSI has one problem. It cannot go above the 100. So it can stay into an overbought situation for quite some time, right? Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful. It can stay into an overbought situation for quite some time. So the stochastic RSI can stay there. The RSI is now above the 70. The commodity channel index is above the 100. It nearly touched the 100 line, then it went back. This is something that we are seeing almost all the time in an impulsive wave. And the reason that the RSI comes so much over the 70s because of the price action. It goes so quick, so fast upwards that we have a very high risk. We might be going down here, then we might be getting up on the daily. Okay, so we have to see that to confirm that this is a daily impulsive wave, that it will last longer than some days, the next 2 to 3 days. We need to confirm that. If we do that, then yes, the impulsive wave will last more than 5 days, guys. Okay, so right now the MACD, you can see that the daily, on the daily we had a bullish cross. Right now everything looks perfect. We even surpassed the previous high we formed back on around 30 April to 1st May. Okay, so let's go to Solana Bitcoin chart. Here we had this as our next price target, and of course the minus 0.5. You can see that this is a chart that I saved from yesterday, and of course we told you that we are going probably here, and we had some other resistance levels, for example there, and the minus 0.618. You can see how smoothly Fibonacci retracement worked. You can see that we found some huge sell pressure here on minus 0.236, then went up, find some pressure on minus 0.5. Absolutely amazing stuff for the Fibonacci retracement, guys, and we are so happy that we are in. And you can see that it looks identical to the USDT chart. We have the RSI in an overbought with some lower highs. Same for the commodity channel index. The stochastic RSI is not in an overbought but not in an oversold as well. So now I would be a little bit careful for the time being. Let's go to Sol Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. I don't want to stay here much, guys, because we had in the USDT the same, almost the same chart. You can see that the RSI is in an overbought. The commodity channel index is way above the 100, stochastic RSI as well. So yeah, everything is in the risk, but the exception is that we are in an impulsive wave. So right now, what I would do if I were you, let's redraw the Fibonacci we had drawn here from the bottom to the top. Right there we go. And the reason I did that from the bottom, from this bottom instead of these guys, is because here we went into an oversold for the stochastic, but right now we didn't go. We didn't go into an oversold. So right now, that's why I draw my Fibonacci from this bottom to this top. And you can see that the next price target is the 83.7, around there to 84. Actually 83 to 86. You can see we have these as our next price target. Okay, in case we go upwards, we will be going there. We have yet another one at 93 and another one at the 97.7, guys. So yeah, if we surpass some certain resistance levels or the previous high, for now the 75, then we go up to 83. You have a very nice swing trade of 11 to 12% or 15.5 around there percent. Okay, if we fall down, then we go down to the first support level. Actually, we can go to the 68.7, we can go to the 66.7, 61.4 to 5, 57.2, and of course we have one more, the 0.618, 53.3. But let's see if we will drop down so far. Right now the Bitcoin is moving upwards, but Solana is going down. Why is this happening? Because Solana is underperforming against Bitcoin. You can see we have a bearish candle right here. So yeah, it was about time to just a little bit go down while the Bitcoin goes upwards. Okay, while the Bitcoin goes upwards, Solana goes down because Solana can't outperform Bitcoin. Okay, therefore that's why we are seeing this bearish signal right here, this bearish candle, even though Bitcoin is going upwards. Okay, so we have these as our next support levels. Next resistance levels you know already. And what I would do, have you bought around here? Just hold, guys, hold till we might go even higher. Do not sell when you are in loss. If you've bought around this area or here, you can take a small percentage of profits. And if the impulsive wave confirms on the daily frame, you can go in when the stochastic RSI will be in an oversold situation on the daily frame. For example, it can be here, it will reach around this area, while we have a great buying opportunity on the daily frame. I would wait till this moment. I would personally do it. You can do it whatever, you can do whatever you want, guys. It's not a financial advice, just my experience. I want to share my experience with you, and here I am. And now that we reached our price target, the 75, guys, exactly the 75, it was so nice to achieve that. Now we might be going a little bit down. We might not have the correction we expect. Okay, so right now we have these as support levels. You can always check for them, and the next price target 83 to 84, 86 as well, 93, 97, 98, around there, Tether USD. Thank you for watching. Before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will get easy profits with the automated system. Do not forget to join the Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.